Hello everyone. I'm going to go ahead and tear into this cam phaser on the Jeep, so join me. Alright, so first thing you want to do, since you're going to be screwing with anything electrical down there, is you want to undo the battery, and I obviously have the wrong socket. Why on earth they would put the positive socket so close to the body, I don't know. The positive terminal, I should say. Okay, got that disconnected. One thing I learned a long time ago, about 33 years ago, I was changing the intake on a 68 Cougar and had to pull the distributor out, and I forgot to disconnect the battery. Well, just about the time the distributor was coming out of the intake, it discharged through my hand to my elbow to the radiator, and I woke up on the ground. So always disconnect the battery. Okay, let's see what I got here. I got to get down there to that plug, and then there's a bolt down there that I got to get to that holds this in place. Let's see what size that might be. Not that one. Smaller than that. Okay. So it's metric. Alright, let's try this one. Not 11 millimeter. Let's try 10 millimeter. You know, that magic when everybody loses. Hey, there we are. What if it untwists? I'll be back. Alright, well, I'm an idiot. I consulted the new part, and I see that it has a plug on it. And that is right there. So, we'll get that disconnected real quick. Somehow. There it is. Now I gotta figure out what I'm dealing with here. I figured it out. The red tab slides over and you unlock it and it comes undone, just like that. Okay. Now I gotta figure out how to get down under there to that bolt. Rotate that back out of the way. That might help. Nope. Can't quite get there. All right. Nope. Okay. See if I can bash my knuckles. Oh, got lucky. Just make sure that's it. It's gotta be it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Good. Getting there. Of course I dropped it. Well, at least I didn't go too far. Okay, now. Back and forth, gently pulling up. Now it comes in. Whew, one piece, good. And one thing I don't see is the gasket spacer. Let me see. I can dump a bunch of dirt in there. Of course. Alrighty. No, I left my light on earlier. Alright, I don't know how much of down in there you'll see, but you'll see the drive for the oil pump. And that's what drives the cam phaser. Okay. Yeah, there is no spacer on here. Huh. I can tell anyway. Nope. Alright, so what I'm talking about is this dude. That's a gasket spacer. And that may have killed... Oh wait, what's that? Oh, that's the lockdown for it, okay. Whew. Well, that didn't go anywhere. Okay, anyway, this goes on that hole right there. Actually, it goes around the shaft of the phaser. And makes a seal. Also gives you a little bit of space. If you don't have that space in there, I bet it ain't that bushing. So this goes there, just like so. And then we see if we can stab this in there. Oh. I think it went, but it's out. It's off. About 90 out. Huh. Wonder. Gonna have to turn. Has to. Oh, no. Alright. Let's get this back down there somehow. You guys got a trick for doing this? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. I think I got it started. See if I can get this bolt tightened. But I don't know. We're gonna throw some fire to it. See if it wants to start or not. All right, here we go. That doesn't usually ever happen. Holy smokes. Gone is the clunk. Man, that thing fired right up. That is awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and button everything up, get everything tightened up, and I want to take it for a test drive. See if we can get that bolt tightened all the rest of the way. I was expecting to have to rotate that dude around. Come on, get on there. There we go. Should get a battery strap. That'd be a good thing. And the guard for over here. There we go. Let's make sure it still runs. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Still got a problem. I'm not sure what it is. I'll put my scanner on it, see what pop the check engine light. It could be a crankshaft position sensor, it could be a throttle position sensor, just something I have to figure out. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach my initial goal of 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, I will see you later.